Are you looking for the best floor for dogs? Kid tested and doggy approved? Pet-friendly flooring offers the perfect combination of the classic cork plank and the new sophisticated luxury vinyl finish, resulting in a completely new pet-friendly floor that is both beautiful and practical. Designed especially for families with pets, children, and active lifestyles, our Cork Vi-Plank flooring is virtually waterproof, scratch and stain proof, quiet and comfortable. Our do-it-yourself pet-friendly flooring is inexpensive and easy to install immediately with no extensive floor prep. The Cork Vi-Plank has 4 layers, a durable, resilient, luxury vinyl finish that will not chip or dent. The Cork midlay that provides enhanced resilience, comfort underfoot with added warmth and insulation. The HDF Core that is moisture resistant with Corkloc, giving it a glueless installation profile. And lastly, the Attached Cork Underlayment provides added sound insulation, so there is no need for separate underlayment. Vi-Plank's elegant finish is suitable for every room in the house. Simply click the 48-inch planks together and walk on the floor immediately after installation. Our unique pet-friendly flooring offers a sample kit of colors, and for more information about the best floor for dogs, please visit bestfloorfordogs.com or call us at 855-360-PETS. That's 855-360-7387.